What's up, guys? Welcome back, or welcome to my very first video. That's not good. I just knocked off this ring. But I am a dirt bike riding or outdoor channel, mainly riding quads and dirt bikes and other stuff like that. And today I just want to show you guys something that we have to do with my dirt bike. So I popped my tube inside my dirt bike. Well, I didn't pop it, but this is the old tube. As you can see, it's completely flat. Tire's fine. But what happened is this got really low, and when I would try to take off, the stem where you fill it up with air, let me look. As I was saying, the part where you find the stem right here, that part was this part, and when I would go, it would turn this and it would break it. So it would just snap off of this. So then I could not fill it back up. We took it off, found out what was wrong with it, and now my dirt bike's just like that. It is lifted up, have everything off on it. We got the tube in the mail today. We're gonna do it tomorrow. So we got all the stuff we need for the tube. So yeah, really what's going on right now. We're gonna assemble it tomorrow, put it back, the tire back on there, make sure nothing else is wrong with it while we're working on it. Front tire was flat, now it's perfectly fine. But see you guys tomorrow. I'm just messing with the settings. He just said one more time. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Today is Mother's Day. A day later, I have some news. Something happened to my pinky, which I was told to wrap it, so that's what I did. So, my hair's messed up. Me and my dad are going to work on my dirt bike sometime today, when he gets home. So yeah, I'm just giving you guys a heads up that something happened to my pinky. So yeah, see you in a little bit. Welcome back. It's a couple hours later. It is, well, let me check the time. 3:33 p.m. Well, of course it's p.m. But yeah, my dad just got home. Let's go put the tube on the dirt bike. And we're here. So yeah, let's get started.
Okay, first thing we want to do is we want to cover these up, okay? Because we don't want them tearing into the tube if there happens to be a burr on them. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a strip of this, okay?
And put it like on the
and we're
inner
going to
layer.
wrap it around, and we'll go from there.
Okay, so we're going to use that white tape. Oh, it just ripped.
That's what I wanted it to do.
Oh. So now we've got the tape inside it. And we have to poke a hole through it so we could get the stem in.
Valve stem goes in right there. Yep.
Now we're airing up the tube right now. Just to get it aired up a little bit.
That's it.
We have to push that stem through the hole. So this way is going to be a lot easier. Besides the bigger gap.
Nope. That this is up in here. Now we have to get the valve stem through the hole.
So now we'll do it the other way.
Yep.
So we got the tube in, and now we just got the
Valve stem.
valve stem in. So now we just got to put those pieces on.
Nope.
We don't have to put them on?
These are extras.
Oh. So now all we have to do is just put this on right and then fill it up.
That's it, sir. I'm going to work my fingers through, around. We're going to make sure that the tube is not twisted. Okay.
So now you just put that back on, basically.
That's all I'm going to do, sir. Is we're going to put the tire back on. Careful we don't pinch the tube.
And pop it.
We're going to hold down on that.
So now we have the tire on, the tube in, and now we just have to fill it up. So now it's good.
We're on. Come on, baby! Hey, Tucker. Hi, Tucker. Hi, Tucker. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Come on.
Now we're gonna put the tire on.
All right. This is what's gonna cause your axle to stick, because this goes through the center here, and there's bearings, right? See how this is not smooth? So
Yep.
what we're gonna do is we're gonna smooth this up. We're gonna use the wire wheel, and we're gonna clean this up, okay?
Yeah.
See, this has a groove in it, right? I'll show you. So right here, this is a groove. So this has to go right here on your swing arm. Gotta go on there, okay?
Mm-hmm. So then it'll just like slide right in.
That's right. So you get that up. We're gonna get that a little bit started. Leave enough room. Here's your guide. This slides in front. Inside the axle. And you get it all to flow. Okay?
Mm-hmm. So now you take that and shove that through.
We do. But what I'm gonna do,
Grease it up.
I'm just gonna get a little bit of grease on there.
Oh, your thing came off.
Mm-hmm.
So now you just tighten it on the other side.
You get this on here. Now where this has to go on. Okay. So this adjusts. This is what you do to adjust the squareness of your rear tire. So these have to go on.
So now we have to put the chain back on. And we have to put that thing through again. It's through. So how do you make it really tight?
So how you adjust it now, right? See, there's a notch. See the notch on the top adjustment? You
Yep.
make the match on each side.
So is that how you tighten the chain?
That's how you tighten that chain. Yeah. So we're just gonna get this a little snugged up. Okay. Now we're gonna mark where we at here. We're gonna be just almost 3/4 of the way to the first on this side now.
Oh, sorry. Almost. So that's how it tightens.
That's it.
It pulls this part back.
That's it, sir.
Is that supposed to be like loose?
Yep.
Odd.
Round of 2.
So it makes it smoother.
It keeps it lubricated.
Now we have to fill up the front one. No. Done.
Metric. $10. Stink face, huh?
Yeah. So we just adjusted my handlebars a little bit, so I feel more comfortable when riding. Oh no, he's going riding. I think it's good. Well, let's truck again. Luckily, we have the back tube already here. And there it is out.
See?
So what happened with this one is so when I was riding with it, it was flat. So that was already like that. And it cracked. It ripped that piece right open. So air just started to pour out through there. So let's just throw on a new one. Ow, my finger. So we put a line of tape around on the inside like we did on the last one. What tape is that? Electrical tape?
No, it's Just a piece of tape to hold the rubber
Oh.
seal.
Oh. Never mind.
Let's get this valve through here. Let's give it a little air first, huh?
Yeah.
So we make
How does putting a little air in help?
because then it won't get folded up like this inside the tire.
Oh, so the air like expands throughout it.
Now here comes in here. Do that. And you really should never use a screwdriver. You know why?
Bend the frame?
It's sharp. It'll put a hole in your tube.
Oh. Still way off. So now we got the hard part done? Really?
The hardest part's done. We got that in there. Here, nice flat. I see how you get up in here and you feel around, right? Make sure that it's not twisted up,
Or scrunched up.
right? Because then that'll pinch. We don't want it to pinch. So we're nice and smooth. I just run my finger around. You can look and see how it's nice. That's all you gotta do. Okay?
Now we just gotta put the tire back on.
We're gonna reseed the bead. This is where you really shouldn't be using a screwdriver because you good chance you slice a hole in the tube. You don't want to do that. But you have to be extremely careful when doing it. If you're gonna do it. So you get a piece like this. You get your hand down on there and you press down just to keep that little bit of pressure. You slowly work your way around, making sure not to hook that tube. And you're gonna hold that. Just hold it.
It's on! Now we put the cap on and then we put the tire on. So now we have everything on, and now we just need to put the screw back on.
Nut.
Or nut back on. And it should be good, right?
That's it, sir.
Wow, they look actually a lot cleaner.
Well, you spray them down with a little bit of oil. All that stuff that's stuck up on here. You want to get that off, right?
Behind it, it's like black.
Yeah. You gotta clean it. You gotta take care of your stuff, buddy.
So yeah, that's really the video. Fix both of the tubes inside of it. Good to go. Change the handlebars. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.